Umoro Bay Skills Training Institute kang kwana chiel me puonyo teaching maber adada nonge Ikulu City ipuonyo diro teaching mapat. Umoro Bay Skills Training Institute tikilu puonyi ma ochwiny adada kang kwan gi tiechel askari magwoko kang kwan teaching kidi wo to tieno chamo maber adada doki nongech ma ochwiny kibor lu puonye magitie kidiro matut tiket me puony pingich matut coach import director la dito Jock Vincent Owo inota bira ngwen abichela ngwen not abora biro Umoro Bay Skills Training Institute teaching pikwo maber
Yan man luanya pigana yana yemelo me period inoni position pachuli mamiyo ni gamente wan wabiti kituba wan wabero inonyo basala chuli from 1962 1966 crisis gimoma chile nyuru ni owatin ni position wana chuli wakero ki gamente ikare chane pe no actually poke manti party A manti party B yan mari mo la yenne pe par pe position mati common mati affecting the local person mi charte Pierre Michel Guibert mi o 1970 ma pia mi ro kwa yore kiberi kamende pa UPC ma do ugano do republic gina ngo malotela mai actually openyo gamed ni one gamed ku bore wabiti ukiri but this is what our position is we supporting kijo mabolo wakui wako wabelo mutoni ngem jomo kene TDP jo kene TUPC down tikada down dubulay mama en mira mano ye ko pegange ata tituman bedan ni actually pay our ki common position gi igament ma okeken they are just participants down poke line me politics me parties eto nena chel ikara football tangata ko ni wachi tikere chingamo ndo kama wabedi klotel machal AA bana alija latin obonyo junior 100 Mola Benedict okenya Toma ojar Alex opotamatu akera nania na logo badia Petit John will ping one much actually this is our position. Man again ma wana mirki board gamen ko war kimini wa wakwate kitu kwa. Pierre bu ngwan ya bero no mo la Pierre bero bu ngwan man ma bien. Gen ma chulu no ki gamen kamin. Ma pat ki tobe. Gina actually gina langi. Eto gen mo time ma pe wi an here we area we had not to open up actually during that period but yet down to my pole Jima pole actually no ubaleka ni matatu twa la bonne dairy farm the most modern dairy farm no Uganda not 100 dimona kibalo duju farm pakera ni ala kwatme kibalo duju Fam palija Latin, Kibano do you? Mono actually put gaining nothing politics, Machalo Kara, and down gaining Machalo individual, Nadman Chumpia. In one appear and Machili went to Pierre Board. No, in one appear board we are being, or two government. One Machala Chulan, what we were poi and what can't body. And in a position for a common ground. What made what TEP, middle tea per but this is what we want to take to the people actually. Wabelu mienbora, wabelu mienkuon, wabelu balu do without a common position actually politics ma Uganda. Wabelu kada kamo yiro to, wamero kilega kawo yiro yok actually. As if le kawo yiro yok was a common position actually ma well down gaining anything in politics for what? Nothing. Nari kwa Gamed Kugore in 1985. Kwa Gamed Kugore ni make kwa 1985. Okay, lunga ya actually team man called Waterman never pay announcement of the killing I president of Uganda kare yoni. until Kirimdano ki Kampala. Generally, Babena Bubara Marioni, Gimotima one way or uncontrolled humming. Now we let my don Katima Pulata, looting, not common position of benefit, Macharbot Dana actually. No bad. It won't defending a government without benefit. In 1986, new in 2005, he actually critiqued vibrant opposition leaders at Timola, Okwanda Tigo, Aleo Pen, Abola Jo, Sister Meruke, Ongoma Penego, Lum Zagaria, Ochula Michael, Beta Hall, Betwigo, Mapenduzi, name it. John the Peko were paying even for one day to come with a common position. Actually, this is what we want for our people. Ulanya Gilbert, Ulanya Jacob, Shelam Ben, Kelu Douglas, Kano Charlie. Nobody collectively made a statement. The money position, actually, when you're going to I take this background, what me in a car, Megamo call he, Mengo limit to the party. Penare. Then Pemanatini, we participate in political activities in Uganda without a common ground, without a common position. This is what we want. Kawano, Kijoga, Germany, she was made with very political mabe. You know, Carol, boy, any document. You know, we are poor, you know, any achievements. Amnesty law. Mama, she can be support. Timo Kidaketi and Madugino. That was a common thing I'm talking about. Ni tia watega dubukilu, tia wake ma ogete. Actually, ye, uchungu koma, anomed ma, but kine na ame kilme ke wema betie, bekonye tia wa. That's what it referred to as common position actually. Ma cha humine mani ang mabe. It's amnesty law. This is actually parliamentary group, APG. Obenego Mombi. Me championing. But look, Makwa actually, it get in perspective, it government Mabino. Well, amnesty law, but we can't prepare. Eto man actually parliamentary group manyende. On do you multica winya we upo, you get motivate na call group, Q called Amos group. A clear indication need the struggle was between NRM versus opposition. Not based on substance. Ni idea kajon don't buy low idea kajon. He made out NRM beti. Oh, basically that. Not based on principle, not based on issues, but affecting actually nothing. After today, your man, why your man, your man, why your man, your man, why your man, moment. The driving force, the deliberate journey, was political, party-based, not issue-based. From 2006 to 25, Luenye Ben Matep. But the man will be tech actually. Is it NRM? Is it FDC? Is it DP? These are facts not based on issues, based on what the man will be tech. Full stop. Yaki clear. Angero Jing Macharo Honda Lamar Catherine NRM. Ola Jacob NRM. Quatamos NRM. A Bailigan NRM. I call Anthony opposition. Jaramatin opposition, KNPP opposition, Amere, Santa Court, and many others. So they balance it themselves. Kani Karo, you talk nothing about your people but the party. Why you don't talk? Very vibrant people, very brave and brilliant politicians. And a petty card thing, we're very big much actually. We've been paying much more for 28 years. We're quite clearly The did government mana again mawana chiluwa mero. We were poor in this group boxing in parliament. Became a very big political matter, which was embarrassing. No complementary balancing of opinions in parliament. Naka omero korobela kikachan on matters affecting actually ini gamo kikai. Umani gamo kasha above party line was not then parliament at all. Supporting different candidates for speakership. Ebe kala tiana choli no tika chingu. Itina wade ine mukene. Madong gendo dirwan. No mukeranta. Instead, we know what to work and we get this for our people. Nothing. Exodus of opposition MPs to an area. This is the core matter. All along, one Machalukara, what when you get a kilo in a bag, Kirano, Moshwalwa. We are shouting on the wrong side. Politics now dangi ye mada. Kanu kena pete side mere mete dangi ye. Kai dangi side mere madune winye kwenye lutu. Kai dangi side mere me dangi kwe dangi ni ngata winye pe. That is the essence of politics in this country today. Being okimeta chuli, you be in opposition. Why must it be us every time? One Public Accounts Committee is an establishment by law. Nime will be a member of parliament on the opposition side. If it is not Mapenduzi, we will Lanya Gilbert. What do we get from that? What do we gain from that? Does it bring food on the table for our people? Mashallah Choli? Nothing. Biometric mente, in my opinion, is the best a serious political leader can do today for our people. Okay, kadang on the wrong side, maybe no kadang can you win it one my bad. Anything mabia oni dora chuni ye miro dan kutim. Ikan en momero ake chan, momero ake kuyaping, momero ake tu mapura tai actually diseases. Wake koilwa. Ngolo wapo chaka kibora kolgi. Mana wube matikani politics may go win. DP leaders, political leaders in parliament cross to serve government by UPC Karkubore. Broad daylight. They had a reason. Amira Kolgiba would take one reasons and more. Is it personal individual interests or reason something actually? We need to listen from them. Kanolo chora. When you come Museveni, government come Museveni kulutu, when you down puts low, but finally crossed. Tija di mo chora ti piachuli, loga di mo chora loga piachuli, chua di mo chora chungi koma chuli. Key within the government. Down we keep people really. Like Jacob did the same. Like was in a position. He crossed to another. He became member of parliament for more, vice chairman, national NRM in charge of northern Uganda, became the speaker of parliament. Because of those, it was very easy for Kitgum to become a municipality. Kitgum no pay enough population quota required by parliament. I remember when NKN is enough to bridge the gap, and he did it. And we got municipality. Gulu City was a big war, but finally, because of him, Bentigamente, we got it. Many people are now very proud when the city, by not being in position, but being in government. Cancer Institute, uno chojunge, look at that, take when it's a radical line, take when finally we succeeded through like the Cancer Institute, meaning you can't These are benefits of working with government, not the opposition. But duoni ki winyu makakalwaki. Kaisha recall Cancer Institute. Still young bear Cancer Institute numero bet call. Kita down take a damage and to over a pedicel Kampala. Tikakai. Shouting on the correct side. Omoro district, even during that time, Madoperi Manichako district, Omoro still became a district because it was necessary. Now we have 3 members of parliament. It's the same crossing of Jacob Alanya. One were recruiting than NRM. I personally recruited people in NRM across Gulu. But these people are now walking themselves freely. We must accept them. We did cadre development training in Papua. I trained 900 cadres. Personally. That's why I picked Tuluba Alfred to be moving with him to train cadres. And finally, he became chairman of LSS Laivi. It was a very hard work. We trained cadres in Anara, over 800 cadres. And I was the director myself, Chelamben. Olum Jakaria had put himself on the ground. Now nobody would penetrate nowhere. But because of that training, recruiting people in NRM freely, it became easy to manage it. We're training cadres here chat. Over 1,200 cadres. Passing out the Dino Berrier and Kome. That's why Omoro is pacified from that training alone. So we're using a lot of money, a lot of time, a lot of negotiation to train people to come to NRM. But these are working freely, let them come. We should really welcome them. Laivi College, we train people. We brought Tafiri to lecture people. Gulu Farm Institute, the current Gulu University. We train cadres. And I was a director. In most of these trainings, I was a director. I was assisted by Awit Paula. He's a major now, whether he's in Canon now. Gin Madame Kungi, personally, Madame Masali senior NRM mobilizer. We need people to join the party. Kubedema Logoni. Results of recruiting people in NRM. We don't have a credible evidence position in Acholi. It's not there. Even in the country today, Nook has taken over position of leader of opposition in parliament. So okay, Acholi might be brilliant. They have ideas. They are free to come to NRM. They have been sidelined in the field of opposition now. So I'm Machalo senior mobilizer NRM. Very experienced with NRM activities actually. When I train people in a town, passionate, over 1,000 people, but down to NRM. I even mobilized Todwong in Amsa, university students. I moved with them around. But Todwong is a Secretary General today. I'm still working on the street. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. Todwong, Secretary General, we brought them. Lillian Adong. We moved with Adong everywhere, mobilizing for peace and development. Say, please, young people, come to this party. Come, please, come. Became member of parliament for 2 terms in where. But I've never been a member of parliament anyway. We need to have that spirit. Kill down. It's not a preserve of the field. Anamerone leaders may actually should operate under a common ground with a clear position on whatever they want for the people actually. Langi have achieved that. No Akiva Stadium, no votes. That is a common position, whether in NRA, whether in DP, whether where. That's their common position. They don't care so much about in your party and this one's party, but what you need for the people of Lamu. That is lacking here. I'm trying to see something similar to this. The Teleme West Nile, they made joint statements, their common position on APA to government. Please, we have been with you for long, but things are not okay with us. If this is not handled, position for end, we may not really work with you. And not actually get any APA. You're not white men. You're not white men. You're not done men. No collective position. But actually don't come apart. And this is the time. They should sit down. Those in government, and they come with a position to government of NRM. It must be sorted before voting. And he's shouting on the wrong side. He's shouting on the wrong side. Nobody will listen to him. I was following up presentation by Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, local compensation funds. You find somebody, member of parliament from Busoga. Why are we compensating those funds and leaving people in Busoga? Like when I also was in Busoga. It's becoming a joke. Statements should come collectively from members of parliament, actually whether FDC, VP. And since they're now coming to the house, where the country is served, it's even better for them to make statement of unconditional compensation of our people. Not long enough. Since now position is less, we are more, and actually we need to have a common voice. We're going down. Pride, individual pride will never take us anywhere now. Mayin damni log ni dekini. Doro. UPDF and NRA. Chingu che kuma chuli mapo. I'm personally aware. Mwaka moki shiru dama makitia kile wadiat. Ichuka chinja. Some of you may not have been here. They were killed. Yokitia lord dama maki lord yakanywa waki patient. Hambu clear ngeno. There's a mistake that we need to talk collectively, and this family must be compensated. Nobody talks about it. It's very, very sad. Mona dep, Jarapunya one, Iparojo Akadak, Aki Kamopit, Mon Aki Kadak. All of them were raped, tortured, and killed, and buried. We must talk one position. This family must be compensated. And actually, we need this family compensated because facts are there. Not a lot of Germany in the oh, but every city, but how about the people? But we need a common ground to serve the people. And we actually must take a walk for one and two pet. It's yellow, child, your medic, this kind of person must be compensated by government if the voice is collective and we have a common ground for our people. The government can do it. But we are scattered ourselves, personal interest, money. I read about money everywhere. That time has passed. We're serving the core problem affecting our people. You know what? That's why money you dead, you owe. Can you chill? He showed that superior. I saw his blood run on the ground. I moved there to support the community. Are the members of parliament aware that we have these kind of things that need them to have a common position and collective voice, and government compensates these kind of families? I will be matiri kichiri Boxing Day lelowi. One. Umado au neno TV don't turn up ka. Commander of Chelo ordered him to be killed because what it was a tiki girlfriend there. That was the reason. The guy was shot dead. And have their names. Waves of killing happened in the Odamaron period that same day. In Gauke. in Nairobi. I went myself. We need MPs if they can now come and talk the same thing when families doing good upbringing. We cannot ask for a technical institute as a team, actually. Damadung, Kutororo, West Nile, Central, Gibirping, Penyo Genuki board government as a position. What kind of it? When you're down your position on the wrong side. That's a major reason why I'm supporting Nia Kwalgi. Don't go back down on the wrong side. Pen benefiting down my board. Can you go be again? Can go be another? Shangin no Bitcoin. And PNL MPs, Malibirping combating poor performance in primary education in actually sub-region. To carry out a simple study, what is the issue? What are the issues? The whole sub-county, Darachel, Narachel. El Sadai, Daraniachel, Pierwadi. And you are supposed to compete with other people in this country. This is a role of collective position. Makajo no binada, no go to a wigi where that party, which are never been to affect actually as a position. Remarks. Dans le pays actually pas denarem because you can actually kilok magi. La logicamente very consolidated. Very consolidated. Chulu ye local. Very consolidated. Cutting the mountain minister, tell local animal compensation, Masalo minister, is far much better than any other person outside cabinet. When local animal compensation actually capital inside. Jima Poli actually can't get lower to could be a call will make it happen. Could be a Pendus will make it happen. Tamaking of Mortoro, Tamaking you myself, Kala, Patia, Watira. Very embarrassing. For many years, possibly, the government called me, working in Katwe, Kache. Secondary schools, your children, Tomato, Pagamente. What is the position of actually leaders? With the coming of their calls now, they should sit down and give a position to government. One good eye to be republished. When I wear SS, Goma SS, KSS. With that kind of voice, collective voice. Jambo betime pedam, pedal for much of the Kwan Kampala do you. You may not take up one. You may get attending schools. Results of them supporting you. Our time, Goma SS was very strong. Aware was very strong. K was very strong. By sure. But things have stopped. Juman Manien, Mamuru won Guinea would be no madame to Galoki and Mapoli. Giti the Melguti, actually. Gienpe Wumina Mirgu war, Jo Maguno, Dongu sustaining party foundation during the most difficult time. Actually. War. Kai binu walking mal. Kai walking queen. You walking about General finally. Made war you may know the thing. Who will put an EB no. Made war. The walking. Mario. Mir good doping. Can you to need any binu new ideas worth being entrusted to be a candidate for an area? This is why people are very worried. The way we don't be an Arab candidate. No. Go in, they must convince members of Gulu West, whether Gulu East or Moro County, you are the right person. They have a task, not giving us condition. I want to be a candidate for NRM without going through the processes of internal democracy within NRM. But they should now get down to show that they are the kind of people who have been missing in NRM. They must face the electorates of NRM. And nobody should stop them. They must go look check per party NRM. Where you kuni me yellow. Me dog mara tira challenge ko Olanya. Olanya Crossing was subjected to primary election, a tough one. Finally, people chose him. But you know, say, and Panama walk in primary election. No. That would be a disaster. You're welcome. Get to the people to approve you and give you the flag for NRM. And minus that, you are not in the right place. Makaru do you more bironi, you're serving the interests of the people, not their personal vendettas. They should serve the interests of the members of the communities, various communities, actually. Not come to NRM to allow you to serve yourself better. No. Come to NRM, you're welcome. Present yourself to electoral college for NRM, the members of NRM. Follow the rules of the game of the party. Win elections of primary. Give me the flag. We shall give you the backing. Simple. Kapoti men, that would be a big problem. Lokamakeke, Saul in the Bible is a killer of Christians. Is a killer of Christians. Christians. Something happened to Saul, and he was converted to Paul. Pitting at more in the Bible, more preaching Christianity more than Paul. So let this Saul come and we convert them to Paul for NRM. But Saul, after crossing to Christianity, followed the doctrines of Christianity to the dot. So Mapinduzi, Akol Lakoy, followed the doctrine of NRM to the dot. No messing. That means Satan crossed to Christianity. My devil crossed to Christianity and was accepted. So these guys can cross to NRM. FDC can cross to NRM. I'm aware Anita Mo, who is not the Speaker of Parliament of this country, an FDC person, but crossed. The people do not chase their way. And they're now reaping benefits among being the Speaker. Teaching hospital, Gangikum. Tahebwa, the Deputy Speaker, was youth representative for FDC East and Western Uganda. He's not deputy. You can get a benefit. A collective wisdom. We're not our people here. LRA joined cross, many of them cross to NRA. That's why we are experiencing a bit of peace. So I strongly support the team actually. Kongdong Wawero bury opposition. Kongdong Waneno, how you going to be conjugal. Position no way can you own any tea. Can you get tea? One more tea, but it's only pay one more computation from anybody. Kai Shungi do it, you must accept. You must accept. But Kai you know if you attack within the party, they will still entrust you more than Mapinduzi. Maintain your presence, validity to the voters. Then you will become relevant. How about Kako? Mapewa sharbo to Kingang. Ko on the popo kwenye ngati party anale. We need action. We need our people together. Mana yetu maxima anatamani merana biati ilwa. Madam take a war here in the city. Meetings are happening everywhere. Kichet kalo kilwa ikingan. Kichet kanyutuma kilwa ikingan. Kitiep to gina ngoma ini bitimo kakone kigeni makonyulwa. Mighty Patenare. Anapu who no information at 2 to 1, but still Nirmala Chen dong ichero kineno lok mokene ki compound na matiyo moro but atamni kitamba da kanyi mira wechunge no pa bini ye alla chung
Umoro Bay Skills Training Institute kang kwana chel me puonyo teaching maber adada nonge Igulu City ipuonyo diro teaching mapat. Umoro Bay Skills Training Institute tikilu puonyi mao chwinya adada kang kwan gi tichel askare magwoko kang kwan teaching kidi wo yutiano chamo maber adada doki nonge mao chwiny kibot lu puonye magitie kidiro matut tikit me puony pingij matut coach import director la dito Jock Vincent Owo inota bira ngwen abichela ngwen not abora biro Umoro Bay Skills Training Institute teaching pikwo maber